talk to you for hours. Lay down on your chest for an hour. I can do this for hours. I wanna give you your flowers, some champagne showers. I can do this for hours and hours and hours. I can do this for hours and hours. Wait lang guys. Just chill. Relax. At huwag kayong magpatumpik-tumpik ka. Because sana ay ma-appreciate nyo ang aking inihandang charis. Feeling inihandang. Di ba? Okay, dahil nag-live na lang man tayo ngayon, you can ask me anything.